Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm thinking a little bit more on the natural side, so we're just going to basically be doing the bare minimum on our face, kind of typical foundation routine, but for the eyes we're going to go a little bit more simpler, so it's probably going to take only 5 minutes. Still look nice, still look put together, still look like, you know, made some effort. Now that I've explained kind of what we're going to be doing, let's get to it. Alright, so first as always, we're going to be going in with our eyelid primer. No brows today. I already got those done. I think you guys have seen me do my brows enough. Wouldn't you agree? And since I didn't do it yet, just gonna go primer after primer and just go in with the one heck of a blot primer. Okay, know where I'm the most oily, so this sucks up all that oil. It'd be nice if there was some sort of invention that, or some sort of product that you just like put on and then it just would change your skin type. Wouldn't that be great? Can't wait till we get into that advancement in technology. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm so happy as I just make everything fall. I'm so happy I finally got this. I've been dying to get this like ever since it came out. Just going in with Tempera. It's this one right here. That one. That's just gonna be our base shade. Just to kick things off. Spread this all over the lid. Alright, now that you're zoomed in more, get more into this. So I've already got that base layer down on my eyes, and I think I'm gonna go for, like, this is a really bare minimum kind of thing we're gonna be doing to our eyes, so we're not gonna be going too bold. This is a very subtle, still like put together, classy look to it. Like a nice fresh look. That's kind of what we're going for. So I'm gonna be going in with, if it was stapling, I'm gonna be going in with Warm Taupe right there. Just gonna be kind of intensifying the crease area. Can we not? My neighbor just got a dirt bike, I guess. He literally was just like hunched over like this, riding his dirt bike down the street. That's probably like the funniest thing I've seen today. Oh my god. Never seen anybody. I feel like he was probably too big for the bike. That's why he had to hunch over so much. So since, again, this is a more natural look, we're not going to be intensifying it. So we're not going to be going with a darker shade in the outer V part, so we're just going to be doing that crease and then be adding a little shimmer. So since this palette says shimmery, I'm going in with the new Tarte palette, and I think I'm going to be going in with Nude Beach, which is that very top one right there. So I'm just going to be applying that right all over the lid, focusing mostly on the center part. Alright, now that that's done, technology can be so temperamental, I swear. Let's just die 200 times, shall we? So, to kind of give this a little bit of extra-ness, so I'm going to be going in with this, don't fall, this color right here. That is Cypress Umber. I really gotta get better at pronouncing names, I swear. So I'm just gonna be taking this little angle brush right here, and we're just gonna be going along the lash line. Like, try to get as close to as possible. So we're not gonna be winging it, you're literally just gonna be going along the lash line. Just try to get as close as possible. So now, we're just gonna be curling our lashes. So our eyes are a little bit of the way done. Move on to foundation. Just doing the usual, just taking my Rainforest to the Sea, putting it in a little plate saucer thing. I don't even know what you call it. And I'm taking my L'Oreal Glow Amour drops, mixing those in. I think adding the drops into your foundation with this look is really nice, just because you do have a little bit of shimmer on the eye. So having that little bit extra of the glow on your face is also a nice touch. To go under the chin, kind of make sure you don't get a line there, so everything kind of flows together all nicely. Alright, we are getting glowy now. It's all done. Just gonna go in with concealer. Pop those right in the hollows, the eyeballs. We're just gonna go in with some powder real fast before that all creases up. Nobody wants a crease. Shake the entire table. And then we're gonna do some on the forehead, chin, smile lines. Just to kind of soak up some of that shine. Like I said, we're not shining too much. Just enough glow. Alright, so I'm gonna be trying this new E.L.F. palette I got the other day. It's a total face palette. It's got some bronze shades, it's got a highlight, and it's also got some blushes in it. And this is what it looks like. Nice and cute. So I'm just gonna be doing some bronzing today. Not be bronzing where I usually would contour. Just try something different. Now we're just gonna brush all that excess powder away we had all over our face. Calm down all that shine. Away. Alright, I don't usually use blush, so this is gonna be interesting. But we're gonna trying something new today. Why not? We're just going in with this like nice pink shade right here. It's like almost like a light corally shade. Definitely need to like scrape at the thing. Doesn't really seem too intense. Hi, Rusty. Puppy came to say hello. I think it's fine. It doesn't really seem to show up that much. Yeah, it's not crazy intense, even when I put it on the back of my hand. So this is like one that you just gotta play around with. So that blush definitely kind of offers like a bare minimum kind of. I feel like if you sprayed it with, like you sprayed a brush and then used it, it might have a little bit more color. This is like very subtle kind of tones to it. Next, my favorite. Actually, we're gonna keep using that palette. Why not? We got it, might as well give it a go with the rest of it, right? Just gonna go on my fan brush, going into the highlighter, which is this top one right here. Alright, so that gives you a little shine. Not too bad. I think that's good though for this look, just because you're trying to look as natural kind of as possible with just like a little bit of extraness. So I think this palette would be good for that kind of thing, just because it is so natural seeming when I used it. Yeah, it's not too bad. More for natural looks for sure, nothing too crazy, but not bad. I like those kind of days too. You don't want to be over the top all the time. Not gonna be doing a nose highlight today, just gonna be keeping it simple. So now we're just gonna finish it off by doing the mascara and the primer. very lightly on our lashes. And then we're gonna go in with our Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. Coating all of those lashes. We're just gonna be doing that under eye because I forgot. So annoying. So I'm just gonna be going in with that warm taupe color again. Just going with that color that we did in our crease, right under that line, lash line. What was missing? I knew it. I knew I forgot something. I'm just gonna give this finishing spray. Alright, so this is the finished look. It's very nice, very clean, natural looking. It's not too crazy. I know it seemed longer, but it can take you 5 minutes. Make sure to comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know how your day was. Anything like that, just let me know down in the comments. Give this video a like. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of my face. You want to see me try to attempt other stuff. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you as I just throw everything everywhere. I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.